cars were race cars, so they all had sponsorship things on the side, and they were all hand painted back in '64. When we first got this car, we were going to hand paint it again and do all brushwork and stuff. Carl decided later that he wasn't going to go to the original lacquer style paint and hand letter it on. He wanted to bring it up to the next level. He wanted to do base coat, clear coat. He wanted to put all the art underneath the clear. And since he owns a Ford dealership, he wanted to put his Karl Ford logo on there. And it's a 7-color logo. We didn't use any stickers. I actually took his logo, put it on a picture in Photoshop, placed it, sized it, sent it off to him, got it okayed. And when it came back, then I took the logo and I traced it all out and designed it and laid out masks for each separate layer of the color. It started out as 7 colors, but it took 12 different masks for each door. Probably took 8 to 12 hours of just painting the artwork on the doors, let alone the base paint and the clear and everything. So, and then it was buried under 5 coats of clear, so you can't feel it. It's just really smooth.
We're pretty much going for performance with this particular engine and lightweight at the same time. It's a 4250 stroke by 4250 bore, which is about probably a 480 cubic inch engine. More bottom end torque than the original Shelby, and a lot lighter weight by trimming all the aluminum heads, aluminum block, and so on. What's neat about it is it's a pretty performance-y bolt together engine. There's a lot of stuff, but when we want it to make more performance, we send it out and have time-consuming port work done to it, and so on. And this was basically a bolt-together engine with no extra hand tuning, and the thing made over 700 horsepower.
You can get a 55 Chevy anywhere. You can get, Mustangs everywhere. I'm getting buy brand new bodies for all those cars. You can't buy brand new stuff for this. This is that car, and we had to fix everything on that car.